I'm just going to quickly show you how to connect your Karcher pressure washer to your garden water tap ready to be used. Make sure your garden tap has a thread. You'll need this tap connector. Brass type connectors are stronger than normal plastic ones. One end of the hose pipe attached to this hose connector. On the other end of the hose pipe, attach another hose connector. Both connectors have a stop feature, so make sure you're getting the right connectors. Now plug it into the pressure washer connector. Make sure the hose pipe is free from any tangles. Attach the high pressure hose to the coupling and the other end to the gun and make sure it clicks in. Slightly open the water tap, turn on the pressure washer, and now you're ready to wash. Take care guys, peace.